Laura's here. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing good. So I've been on the internet a lot lately, and I've seen all those fridge vlogs or whatever, like what's in my fridge, you know? And I figured maybe like, hey, I could do that. I have a fridge. It's a Whirlpool. I don't know why they call it a Whirlpool, because that is definitely not a Whirlpool. That's a frig. Where I'm from, we call it a frig. The D and E are silent because those are suggestion letters. We have a lot of suggestion letters. Ever heard of that? If not, then you are from where I'm from. Well, my frig is kind of empty, so I decided I would show you my favorite things in my frig. Don't get me wrong, I love food. I only like certain things. So I made a video about what was in my frig, but only the good things. But anyways, who am I kidding? Here's my frig video. Speaking of crescent rolls, excuse me, I need this real quick. Crescent rolls, perfect. I like to bake sometimes. They're homemade from the store. Ow, that's hot. Ow, I'm gonna eat one and you can't have one. Ow, that's hotter than a cow giving birth on a summer day. 5-second rule. Oh, there's a hair on it. Jesus had hair, so hair's okay to eat. Oh, Jesus also made these because these are heavenly.